like a frying pan, but it's a deeper one. It's a saucepan. This is our phonics class called Sounds Nice that Heidi runs from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. It is based on a letter of the week, and the letter of the week is S. So all around the room we've got lots of things that start with S. Doing things, screwdriving, plasticine stuff. Oh, wibbly spaghetti! Scissors and straws for cutting, craft. Lucy loves craft, don't you, Lucy? Sunflowers and sticks. So if you want to get involved in the Sounds Nice class, give us a call at the barn. Thank you.